Hey class, welcome to the classroom. We've got Kevin and Lincoln helping out today. As you can see, it's a shirt and tie day. We try to have fun with it every day. So today we can't be outside because it's raining. So we figured that today was a good opportunity to do a science
raining science experiment.
Doing a raining science experiment. So we can't be outside. So what happens? How does rain form? Well, rain forms
with a
when
cold front and a warm front.
When a cold front and a warm front intersect. So what is a cold front? A cold front is an advancing mass of
cold air.
And a warm front is an advancing mass of
warm air.
So when cold and warm masses of air hit, what happens?
The warm front goes over and the cold front goes under.
Perfect. See, Kevin remembers his science. So my class, I'm sure you guys remember doing this in class. We did this early on. But this experiment is super fun, super easy. And what it shows is visually what happens when two fronts meet. So what we have is a pot of, or a bowl of hot water. We have an ice cube with green dye in it, which will simulate the cold front.
And we have yellow dye in my hand for the warm front, and it will go over the cold front.
So what you're going to see, as soon as Lincoln drops the ice cube in, the green will start to drop to the bottom of the pan. And when Kevin drops in the yellow food coloring for the warm, it will go over. Okay? So go ahead, Link. Drop the ice cube in. All right. Kevin, drop in your food coloring. Good. So as you can see, immediately, the cold air is dropping to the bottom. Again, this whole bowl is hot, so the cold air is going down. And you can see it dropping to the bottom of the bowl. Now, as time goes on, you're going to see that the yellow will come to the top, and it's going to go under, and they will be separate.
Yes.
Now, as time progresses, eventually, yes, the two colors will mix. And that's when the storm will actually happen. But this is actually showing when the two fronts intersect.
The ice is done already.
So as you can see already, the green is at the bottom.
The green is making like a swirl.
Yep, so the green will stay at the bottom. The yellow will come to the top. They will stay separate, and eventually they will mix, and that is turning into a storm cloud.
It's swirling.
It is.
And it's moving the water.
All right, guys, we're going to do another experiment in a little bit, but this one, again, shows our weather today. Warm fronts, cold fronts hit, we get rain.
Now it's
all right, guys, and now it's mixing it up because Lincoln's shaking it up. All right, guys, so we'll see you in the classroom next time. Have a good day.